Next up, I'm going to replace these original backing panels that were put on this arm frame. I don't know what the official name for them is, but upholstery suppliers sell them. It's kind of like flexible cardboard, and it's meant to fill in cavities. Like you see here, the way the front of this arm frame is made. This piece is designed to fill in that cavity so the foam has a place to rest. And these are kind of worse for wear, so I'm going to cut some new ones. Alright, we've got the backing panels and padding transferred to the new arm frame. Now we're about ready to put the arm panel back on. Just want to point out here that this one has a sewn-in compartment for the upper arm pad. So if you need to replace this or add some padding, now's the time to do it. Just open this zipper up and take care of that first. On older chairs, sometimes the foam is physically attached to the top of the arm frame as well as the inside of this arm panel. So as you work your way up when you're taking it apart from the bottom to the top, be sure and make notes and mark where this panel or where the padding is attached, so when you go to reattach it, you can get it put on the same way. These are a little bit easier. All right, let's put this on. Okay, I've left much of this arm cover loose. This is actually just tack to hold it in place for now. Because I can't attach this cover completely, I've got to reattach the arm frame to the rest of the chair before I can finish this. So let's do that next. I ran out of time yesterday to finish this repair, so here we are the next day. I've got the bottom of the recliner up on the bench. I've got a loose seat cushion here to help support it so it'll be easier to slide the arm frame back on. So let's reattach it. Next, I'm going to reattach this outside arm panel. I'm going to start here in the center with our cut hole over our drive rod and center that, and then work both ways. Okay, we finished up the repair. I've installed the back. Let's try it out. It works good.